Okay, so the back of this album's really been bugging me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these. I've got 2 spare sheets. I've got another one that looks exactly the same as this, and I've got this one, and I'm not 100% sure. I could put another so it would look like this is back and front, which maybe is an idea. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to run off the barcode strip. And then I'm going to position it. When I did the front one, remember we cut off a bit, so I'm going to position it so that I don't mind if it gets cut off, because otherwise this is going to be on, it's going to be on the spine, which I don't really want. So I'm going to measure and just trim it to size. So I'm not giving an actual measurement. And I'm cutting a little smidgen off the bottom here again. Just a little thin smidgen. And we are going to paste that over there like so. Just want to check, I might need to trim. I do. I need to just straighten it. Okay, so this is a bit of trial and error getting this to fit now. It's going to come in there like so. So what I am going to do, I'm going to start off by taping this all the way around the edge. So that's prepped, ready to go on. Let's make sure we get it the right way. And then we're going to prep the back of the album. So really importantly, we have to tape over the join. Either side of that. And then, as much as I loved having the technique on the back, just the color, and I should have taped it down. So here goes, I'm going to just add tape to it. It's a bit crinkly. I'm also going to just glue. Probably should have done this before I did the back cover. Right, I am going to pull up little tags. It's the beauty of scrapbooking, is that if you don't like something, you can always change it out. Okay, and then on my piece, I'm going to just turn up some little zips to make my life easier. like so, and then I'm going to make sure that I get it the right way around, obviously. And what I'm thinking is that I'm actually going to do this one first, which is going to be a bit problematic because remember we've got that other piece as well underneath there. Okay, so that one, these might have stuck a bit. That is problematic. I'm just going to pull that off, and basically I'm pushing it against. Okay, so I've got that piece stuck, and then I can pick this up. I can pull these. I can add some wet glue. Then I'm going to paste this. Once I've done that, I can then fold it. It has lifted a bit there, but I want to put a strip of something. So there's a little strippy there that needs, maybe should have overlapped that slightly. But I'm going to come in with, I'm thinking a piece of black, just like a black film strip. So I've cut that to 12 inches by 2 inches, and I want to pop it in there, which I'm not going to do yet because I think I'm going to add a little dangly bit, so that will go on my spine at a later stage. It's also going to help with sticking this down correctly. So just a quick walkthrough. We have on page 1 we have the little tuck spots, so we're going to be able to tuck a heap of little Polaroids in there. On page 2 we have 3 spaces to pop your photos. There's actually 6 because you can do back and front, or you can do smaller photos. On page 3 we've got these, plus we've got space there for photos. Page 4 we've got the little Polaroids. Page 5 we have got the little belly band, where again we can stuff. I'm also thinking we need some photo framey looking photos that could go in here to match the wall. On this one we have a 4x6 and a 6x8, I think it is on this one. Back page we've got space for a big photo plus small photos, or remember you can also put smaller photos in these, and then space for 1, 2, 3, 4 and this side. And then on the back page we've got photos, space for this little waterfall.